is this plant? It is very happy in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. This is Lisa on Facebook. I like that. It is very happy. Nice picture there, Lisa. So, Dylan, what do you think that is? I think you might know this one.
It makes me want to sneeze.
Yeah.
Because it's ragweed.
It's ragweed, yeah.
And that's what causes hay fever in the fall for everybody. Yeah, it's ragweed.
But it looks so good.
Well, of course
so
it
happy.
does.
Yeah,
It's a weed in this area.
Right.
So, in fact, for a large part of the United States, it's a weed, native weed. So, yeah.
Yeah, you see it pretty much all around
Everywhere.
the landscape here. You know, side of the road. Yeah, I've seen it out in fields. Yeah, you see it everywhere.
Don't have me sneezing. Don't have me sneezing all the time, man. I be doing it, man.
It's the ragweed.
That ragweed have me going then.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.